Wow. Look at that beautiful view. What a placid, gorgeous evening. There's a bird couple there. Wow, oh my gosh. Sometimes you just have to take a minute and appreciate nature. Wow, there's a giant turtle in there. I never see turtles. Hi. Hey guys, so I drove back to Belleville late last night. It is only 9 in the morning, but it is already scorching hot out. It's back out at my river that I used to go to all the time last summer. And I'm going to take a walk over to this pond. There's a pond down the path here where I always used to go spot like 20 different turtles every day, like baby turtles, and they'll stand there in a stack. So we're gonna go see if they're still there, because barely any luck ever seeing turtles in Brockville. Well, it looks like all the geese and their babies still come here. So right here is where I would always see the turtles. Like so many turtles. Which is weird because in Brockville, which is known for their turtles, I would look around at all different kinds of ponds and marshes and stuff, and I would never see turtles. I saw one tiny baby, the one that you saw in here, and then I saw another one last night where I didn't get a good look of it. I just saw it moving through the water. But let's go take a look and see. There's a log here. They would always bake in the sun. Right here, I would always see the turtles. I'm sure they probably didn't move far. There's a big frog. There's a littler frog there, if you can see him. I just saw a huge tadpole in there, so the frogs around here must start out large. Do you see the heron hunting for breakfast? So I was just walking the trails, or rollerblading rather, the trails down at the river in Belleville when I came across this nesting swan. And not only was she nesting in this gorgeous giant nest, but if you look carefully here, you can see a little white babies. Can you see it popping out there? She's actually hatching her babies. So that's what all of these people were watching all day, is this gorgeous swan and all of her babies popping out. It looks like the size of a cheetah in this frame. What a cutie patootie. Are you stopping, sir? Oh, look at your tail.
Her legs.
It's okay. Are you hungry, sir? I mean, why not? We both eat like rabbits. Same diet as just grass.
Small bite. Kimmy's phone. She had kicked it to the corner when he broke in through the door.
Watch
20
me
people.
burst right into color. Watch me break out and paint the stars. Watch me burn so bright. Watch me fly so high. Light it up like a butterfly. Watch me burst right into color. Butterfly.